In today's manufacturing industry, speed, flexibility, and productivity are essential for success. Manufacturers are constantly looking for solutions that reduce downtime, improve efficiency, and maintain high product quality. One of the most advanced answers to these challenges is FFX technology in tube mill production lines. FFX, or flexible forming technology, represents a new generation of tube forming systems designed to simplify size changes and enhance production flexibility. In conventional tube mills, changing pipe dimensions often requires replacing multiple roll sets and performing time-consuming adjustments, resulting in significant production downtime. FX technology addresses this challenge through adjustable forming stands that allow a wide range of tube sizes to be produced using the same roll set. This innovative approach minimizes tooling changes and significantly reduces setup time. In this video, you will see the key stages of an FFX tube mill line, from coil entry and strip preparation to forming, high-frequency welding, sizing, and the production of the finished tube. Each stage is engineered to achieve maximum precision, efficiency, and product consistency. One of the most important advantages of FX technology is rapid size change. What traditionally required hours of preparation can now be completed in a fraction of the time. This enables manufacturers to respond more quickly to customer requirements while improving production planning and operational flexibility. Another major benefit is the reduction in tooling costs. Because multiple tube sizes can be produced with the same roll set, manufacturers can reduce investment in tooling while also lowering maintenance and storage costs. In addition, the advanced forming process improves dimensional accuracy and product quality. Consistent material flow and precise roll positioning help minimize defects, reduce scrap, and maximize productivity. Today, leading tube producers around the world rely on FX technology to enhance competitiveness, improve efficiency, and meet the growing demands of modern markets. FFX is more than a technological innovation. It is a smarter approach to tube manufacturing, combining flexibility, efficiency, and performance. FX technology: faster changeovers, greater flexibility, higher productivity.